Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel One Two Step. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to delete profile picture on Picsart. To get started, let's open Picsart. This is your home page. Here you can see many icons like home icon, plus icon, profile icon. Click on profile icon. It will navigate you to this interface. Here you can see edit profile. Tap on it. Now here you can see camera icon on profile picture. Tap on it. Now click on remove button. Here you go, you have successfully deleted profile picture on Picsart. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.